Hello students, today we are going to learn about how to search a specific record using the form feature. In our previous videos, we have seen how to add a new record into our database using the form feature. Today we are going to see how to search a record in our database. To search a specific record, first click anywhere in the database range and click on the form button present over here. You can see that the sheet 1 dialog box will appear. Click on the criteria button present over here and enter the desired record you wish to search. Entering the data is the one which is uniquely identified field, such as over here I am having the roll number which uniquely identifies the data present in our database. So suppose I want to search the roll number 603. So I will enter the roll number 603 and press enter from our keyboard. Now you can see that the desired data comprises of name, term 1, term 2 and term 3 related to the roll number 603. So in this manner, we can search any record from our database using the uniquely identified field. Now coming to the next topic of how to delete a record using the form feature. So to delete a record from the form feature, click on the form button present over here. The same sheet 1 dialog box will appear. You can go to the desired record by using the find previous or find next buttons. So suppose I am clicking on the find next and I am going to my desired roll number. So my desired roll number is 605 using the find next button. Now once you reach the record, click on the delete button present over here. So as soon as you click the delete option, the Excel prompts a confirmation box which states displayed record will be permanently deleted. So click on OK button. Now you can see that the record has been deleted from our database. Remember, once a record is deleted from the database, it cannot be recovered. Now coming next to the topic of how to sort the data. Excel allows us to rearrange the data numerically or alphabetically on the basis of date, color and so on. Rearranging the data in a specific order is called sorting. So today we are going to learn single column sorting. What do you mean by single column sorting? To sort the data on the basis of single column is known as single column sorting. So today we are going to sort text values. To sort data using text value, you have to first select the cell range where you wish to sort the data. So suppose I am going to select my range from A3 up to E6. So I have selected my range where I wish to sort my data. So now click on the data tab present over here. And in data tab you can see that there is a sort button present in the sort and filter group. So as you click on the sort button, you can see that a dialog box will appear over here. The sort dialog box appear under which we have column section, sort on section and order section. Under the column section, click on the sort by option and you can see that the column or field name will appear. On the basis of which you want to sort the data, you can select the column. So here I am selecting the column name on which I wish to sort my data. In the sort on, we have values option which is selected by default. In order option, we can see that there are options like A to Z, and Z to A. So I'm clicking on the option A to Z and click on the OK button. Now you can see that the sorted database will appear on your Excel worksheet. Now you will observe that according to the name field, the data is sorted alphabetically, that is from A to Z. In similar manner, you can sort the data from Z to A. Click on the option Sort and you can see that a dialog box will appear. Click on the field name you wish to and in order go to the option Z to A and click on the option OK. Now you can see that your database has been sorted from Z to A. So in this manner, either you can sort your data, the text value from A to Z or Z to A. So hope you understand these topics of how to delete a record using the form feature, how to search a record using the form feature, and how to sort the data using single column sorting. Thank you, students.